Hey, what's up guys? Meet me again in the CNC channel. Every blogger of course want much visitor to their blog, but uh, the newbie or starter blogger will feel too hard how to make content that can uh, direct visitor to their blog. Okay, one of the most important thing that we should to do is research keyword before we created the post. For premium, uh, we can using most RFs or same phrase of course, but I think for starter blogger is very expensive. But alternatively, you can using UbberSuggest by Neil Patel in here or Kismetric. This is the powerful tool I think for free, while expensive or premium keyword research like Ahrefs, Semfrost, or most tools is very expensive. Although the Ubersuggest by Gizmetric is free, but I think it's powerful because we can view the search volume with unlimited using. Okay, just open. I want to guide you how we can using nail petal Ubersuggest. For example, I'm using keyword in country. You can select if you want to target United States, you can choose United States. But if you just only locally for your country, you can select your country here. For example, I want to United States. If I type Android, for example, you can see there. This is I call powerful because in UberSuggest we can now search volume difficulty and page difficulty until CPC or cost per click. For example, in the keyword ideas, you can see there for Android keyword, there is Android Auto, Android Device Manager, Android Wear, and you can check view all keyword. Okay, this is just new interface from UberSuggest. If I usually export to CSV for offline and calculate by Excel, for example, like this guys, for 100 keyword. Okay, you can see there. I usually sorting this by volume, but the default is by volume. After the volume, priority to check cost per click, because without this I think it's nothing. Mm, Android developer, you can see there. For CPC is $10. Wow, I think it's big. You can see this Android host names $29. Okay, there is many idea in here, and for my advice, you can search by volume. After you now the volume is the minimum I think is 500 and 1000. You can choose uh, the minimum volume for you. After you choose, you can uh, select CPC for the second priority. Okay, the most or the others thing that important is search difficulty. Okay, higher value in here, it's mean higher to uh, get rank one in Google. Okay, that's all. And you can find in Google search like estimate visitor in Android.com. This is the competitor, guys. You can using SERP analysis. Okay, if your competitor is a domain with high authority, it's very difficult or hard to fight against them. So uh, find the keyword that uh, no high authority. For example, Android. You can see there this percent is 29% chance you will be able to rank for it. I think it's difficult, but for example, Android, for example, 2019. Let's find. You can see there because the Android 19 its volume is until no more 100. You can see there the change for you will be able to rank it for this keyword is 81. So this is better than you won't fight again domain like Google, Android, and Stack Overflow, for example. That's all guide how to use UberSuggest 2018 for me. After you find your keyword, explore that for make more than one uh, idea to create a post, and then do it uh, regularly, and I think your blog will uh, give you visitor and of course money. Thanks for watching and bye bye.